Okay, I thought I'd just show you how we do the shock fronts with the new swivel. First of all, the top windows here. By the way, I'm using a 20-inch squeegee scrubber. And as you can see, flip it, scrub it, squeegee. Makes very easy to swivel, just in that corner. Okay, in this one. Okay, I'll just go and detail the bottoms of the frames. Microfiber in the bottom. All the rest is okay because the squeegee, because of the swivel, gives even pressure along the whole channel, and therefore squeegees right in the corners. And found using the pole here, you can see you can go every which way. Squeegee down. Find it's much easier using the pole this way than using a squeegee and a scrubber at the same time on the big glass. Not too taxing on the arms and shoulders. See, squeegee down, round. Goes out. Right. Now I'll get squeegee and a scrubber, two-handed method on the doors. This is also a 20-inch squeegee I'm using. Got the same movement. You can see how easy it is to squeegee right in the corners. Scrub, squeegee. Get the excess. Now I'll just detail. Get a microfiber and a scrim. Microfiber for the bottom. Scrims for around the edges. Scrim around, just to make sure. Round. Do the bottom here, a little bit on the side here. And well, I suppose that's about it.